You posted 37 videos and your subscriber count still stuck under 500. No one sharing your content and your views crawl in at about 5 or 6 per day. You start to wonder, is it me? It's not, but it's your system. Today, I'm exposing 3 silent killers that's keeping small YouTubers invisible and how to fix them fast with no fluff, no platitudes, just the truth. Let's go. This isn't another be consistent talk. This is about what actually blocks growth. You might be doing everything right and still feel invisible. Why? Because success on YouTube isn't about effort, it's about leverage. So here's what we'll cover. The invisible ceiling holding you back, how to break out the content graveyard, and the subscriber switch you're not flipping. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to go from stuck to scaling. Let's dive in. Most creators think if I make great content, they'll come. Wrong. YouTube isn't about mediocrity. It's a marketplace. And in a marketplace, the best packaged content wins. Think of your video like a product. No one tries it unless the packaging sells it first. That means if your title and thumbnail are weak, it doesn't matter how good your video is. They'll scroll right past it. Ask yourself this: would you click on your own thumbnail if you weren't the creator? If the answer isn't an instant yes, start there. Because views come from curiosity, not from quality. And clicks come from contrast, clarity, and conflict. Let's make that real. Bad. Morning routine vlog. Better. I've tried waking up at 4 a.m. like Navy SEALs. See the difference? Same video, different promise, totally different result. You post when you feel inspired. You chase trends, you bounce between niches. YouTube punishes that. The algorithm doesn't reward random, it rewards patterns. If someone watches your videos, YouTube wants to know what to show them next. If the next video is totally unrelated, boom, a drop off. Here's how to fix that. Create what I call a content cluster. 3 to 5 videos on the same topic from different angles, like this: productivity. Why your to-do list is killing your focus. Video 2, the 3 a.m. rule for getting more done. Video 3, I work like Elon Musk for 7 days. Here's what happened. That's a cluster. A cluster builds binge watching behavior. You're not just making videos, you're building a rabbit hole. That's how channels explode. Mistake 3, talking to everyone and reaching no one. This one is brutal because it feels like you're doing the right thing, helping as many people as possible, being broad to cast a wide net. But YouTube doesn't work like that. When you try to reach everyone, you reach no one. You need to talk to one person. With one problem, get painfully specific. Don't say how to become more productive. Say how to beat procrastinatism when you work from home. See the shift? One's a lecture, the other one feels like a lifeline. A lifeline that gets clicks, they get watch time, they build trust. Let me show you this in action. My friend Aaron had a channel stuck at 300 subs for 2 years. Then he changed one thing. He niched down and built a binge cluster, from general productivity to Notion tutorials for remote workers. He planned a 5-video series. Same vibe, same viewer, one video took off. YouTube recommended the rest. He gained 12,000 subs in 3 weeks. Not because he got lucky, because he got strategic. So how can you apply this today? Step 1, audit your last 5 videos. Are they connected? Would a viewer know what to watch? If not, batch your next 3 video uploads around one topic. Step 2, pick one viewer profile, not a niche, a person. What do they struggle with? What are they searching late at night? Step 3, upgrade your titles. Use urgency, consistency, and be specific. So here's a template. Something like this: how I hit 100,000 subscribers in 6 months without showing my face. That's clickable, that's powerful. Look, you don't need more gear, more editing tricks, or another YouTube course. You need alignment, an aligned audience, aligned content, and aligned delivery. The channels that grow aren't lucky, they're clear. So if this helped you get clarity, drop a comment with your channel goal. Let's hit it together. And if you want more no fluff breakdowns like this, hit subscribe. The next video is gonna change the way you script forever. See you there.